As we all know, it was out of the question to wear the J1 Mid silhouette if you were a real sneakerhead. The Jordan 1 brand flooded us with experimental colorways of the Mid, while the best colorways were applied to our beloved J1 highs. The tables turned when they released iconic colorways to the Mid silhouette. I mean, the Chicagos or the Breads, come on. I just don't understand what was going on, but after a few months, everything became clear. They created a new market and aimed for the bigger public. In this video, we discuss 10 Jordan 1 Mid colorways that should have been applied on a Jordan 1 high. I hope you're ready. Number 1. The Jordan 1 Mid Milan. This one absolutely should be made in a Jordan 1 high version instead of a mid. This particular Milan colorway has something special that demands a high-tier treatment. First and foremost, the release pays homage to the historic city of Milan, where Jordan Brand's connection dates all the way back to 1986 with the original launch of the Air Jordan 2. The fact that they're choosing this city for inspiration shows the significance they attach to Milan's influence on their brand history. In addition to that, we all love shoes that are marketed with a backstory. The Milan color scheme features a pastel palette, drawing inspiration from the city's historic architecture. Just imagine these soft, elegant colors on a Jordan 1 high silhouette. Moreover, the materials used for this release are simply top-notch. We're talking about textured leather, suede, and mesh on the upper. These premium materials enhance the shoe's overall look and feel, making it truly deserving of the Jordan 1 high treatment. And let's not forget the MLN hang tag attached to the laces, which further reinforces the connection to Milan's heritage. This small but significant detail would carry even more weight on a Jordan 1 high, adding an exclusive touch to the shoe and making it a must-have for any sneaker enthusiast. Number 2. The Jordan 1 Mid Melody Ehsani. This is it. The name already tells you, a collaboration with the talented designer Melody Ehsani. Most are not too thrilled about this one because it's made on the Jordan 1 Mid silhouette. I don't want to insult the Mid silhouette, but it's such a waste that they didn't choose the high version for this collaboration. First of all, let's talk about the designer herself, Melody Ehsani. She has been an influential force in the fashion culture, consistently pushing boundaries and leaving her mark in the industry. Now let's dive into the design of this unique collaboration. Melody Ehsani has taken inspiration from some of the most iconic colorways in Air Jordan history and beautifully combined them into a piecemeal creation. Can you imagine these classic Chicago toes, shattered backboard heels, and royal midfoots all coming together on a Jordan 1 high version? Melody Ehsani's creative genius shines with the addition of gold accented watches as lace lock. On the midsoles, she wrote the text, "If you knew what you had was rare, you wouldn't waste it." These are definitely things you want to see on some OG silhouette, isn't it? Number 3. Jordan 1 Mid Chateau Maison. Another one of the Fearless collection. This particular design is a bold celebration of cultural diversity, craftsmanship, and the rich story of MCR founder and designer Yousef Fofana. Yousef Fofana's journey began when he met the Jordan team at the K54 streetball tournament in Paris. From there, he embarked on a mission to salute both African and Parisian craftsmanship through this Air Jordan 1 Mid design. This shoe is a testament to the gathering of multiple cultures in Paris's Chateau Rouge neighborhood, which is beautifully reflected in its unique combination of styles, colors, and textures. The Air Jordan 1 Mid by Maison Chateau Rouge reinterprets the iconic Air Jordan 1 UNC. The hallmark powder blue hue, synonymous with the UNC colorway, serves as the foundation for its design. But Fofana didn't stop there. He added his brand's signature yellows in pastel and bright shades, creating a vibrant and eye-catching base layer on the quarter, toe box, and collar. Additionally, reddish-brown accents pay homage to Africa, adding a meaningful touch to the shoe's overall narrative. Texture plays a crucial role in this design, with various debossed patterns adorning the upper. The patchwork style design created by the combination of different tones and textures makes this Air Jordan 1 Mid truly stand out. Now, here's why this Jordan 1 Mid collaboration with Maison Chateau Rouge should have been made in a Jordan 1 High version. This design is not just a typical colorway or a simple collaboration. It represents a meaningful and powerful story of cultural fusion and craftsmanship, and the colorway is sick. Number 4, the Jordan 1 Mid Shattered Backboard, or the Jordan 1 Mid Starfish. This one absolutely deserves to be made in a Jordan 1 High version. Why? They simply shouldn't have used the iconic shattered backboard on a Jordan 1 Mid. Jordan Brand has strategically arranged the colors in a unique manner for the Mid version. This approach ensures that the Mid stands out on its own while still paying homage to the iconic shattered backboard color scheme. However, many real collectors are always waiting for a new version of the shattered backboard J1 High. The Starfish color combination is vibrant and attention-grabbing, making it an instant head-turner on the streets. Furthermore, this Starfish color concoction brings versatility to the table. It's a colorway that can easily be dressed up or down, making it suitable for various occasions and styles. A Jordan 1 High Shattered Backboard 4.0 would become a go-to sneaker for many, adding a touch of boldness and individuality to any outfit. Number 5, the Jordan 1 Mid Linen. It's hard to get out of my mouth, but this is a really exciting Jordan 1 Mid colorway, and it would have been a dream if they would have placed this on the Jordan 1 High version. The shoe boasts a clean two-tone concoction that has been capturing the attention of sneakerheads everywhere. The use of a white base on the toe box, mid panel, and tongue provides a classic and versatile foundation for any outfit. But what sets this colorway apart is the addition of a pleasant tan linen color shade. This unique combination of colors creates an elegant and sophisticated look, making it a perfect complement to any fit. The tan linen hue has a similar vibe, reminiscent of the iconic Creed SB Dunk Highs from 2006. This nod to classic sneaker history adds an extra layer of appeal to this colorway. Neutral tones have been a major hit in 2021, largely influenced by Kanye West's Yeezy line. Imagine the impact and nostalgia this colorway would evoke on the higher cut of a Jordan 1 High. The Jordan 1 High version would pay homage to both its own legacy and the iconic dunks, creating a fusion of two legendary sneaker worlds. Number 6, the Jordan 1 Mid Craft Inside Out SE. I also want to add the Jordan 1 Mid Inside Out colorway to the list and share my perspective on why this shoe should not be reserved for a Jordan 1 Mid, but rather it deserves a Jordan 1 High version. The design represents a twist on the traditional Air Jordan 1 upper, with certain parts reimagined in an intriguing way. The perforated forefoot, for instance, is overlaid atop the toe cap, creating a visually interesting contrast between light gray and white. The unique design elements and color choices make this inside-out colorway stand out from the crowd. With such an innovative and eye-catching design, it's only natural to wonder how much more impactful it would have been on the higher cut of a Jordan 1 High. A Jordan 1 High inside out would offer an even greater canvas for the design to shine, allowing the details and creative elements to truly come to life. Number 7, Jordan 1 Mid Pink Quartz. It was a mistake to limit this colorway to the mid silhouette. As we all know, Jordan 1 Mids have gained popularity, but this particular colorway was long awaited by many of the female sneakerheads, but unfortunately, it never came. Only lately, we've seen the wash pink Jordan 1 High. The other one we know is the rust pink, but that one is too exclusive and expensive. The pink quartz arrangement features a combination of colorless toe boxes and midfoot panels, setting the stage for the rose hue on the ankle flaps and heel panels. The soft and delicate tone spills onto the mud and lace guards, creating a beautiful and harmonious color palette. The girls' release of the pink quartz presents a chic and sophisticated look that's undoubtedly eye-catching. In conclusion, while the Air Jordan 1 Mid Pink Quartz colorway is undoubtedly cool, it is an absolute mistake to limit its potential to the mid silhouette. It deserves to shine on the iconic Jordan 1 High version, where it can capture the hearts of sneaker enthusiasts and become a timeless and cherished piece in sneaker history. Number 8, Jordan 1 Mid Light Smoke Gray. This Jordan 1 Mid probably ignited a spark that reached far out of the existing sneaker community and convinced a lot of non-sneakerheads to wear the Jordan 1 silhouette. And to be honest, the colorway is dope and super clean, loved by many and reissued in different versions in order to saturate the market. We've actually seen a similar colorway on the Jordan 1 Dior, and some people even called these ones the broke man's Dior. If it weren't for marketing strategy, which actually worked pretty well, this colorway should definitely be applied to a Jordan 1 High. Why? The Jordan 1 High silhouette has a timeless appeal that resonates with sneakerheads of all generations. It has a sense of history and authenticity that the Jordan 1 Mid may not fully embody. By giving this colorway the high treatment, the Jordan brand would be recognizing its potential as a classic and cherished addition to the Air Jordan legacy. Number 9. Jordan 1 Mid Armory Teal. The Air Jordan 1 Mid is no stranger to blue tones, but this colorway takes a departure from the usual royal blue and embraces something much classier. The classic look is still retained with white leather panels and midsoles, setting the stage for a dark navy wash that covers the toe cap, eye stay, ankle flap, and swoosh. What makes this shoe stand out is its subtle pigmentation with a hint of green, giving it a unique and refined appearance. It is such a waste that this colorway wasn't released on a Jordan 1 High. By bringing this classy blue colorway to the Jordan 1 High version, the Jordan brand would be giving it the recognition it deserves and amplifying its impact. Number 10. Jordan 1 Mid Dutch Green. This one is for the ladies. They totally loved it when this colorway was released, and to be honest, this one in a Jordan 1 High version would be an outstanding pair for anyone to add to his or her sneaker collection. I mean, the color palette of this Dutch Green Mid is truly captivating. The faint green sets the stage for overlays in a military garb reminiscent tone, while the profile swooshes add a striking black contrast. Moreover, the pink laces and wings insignias on the lateral ankle flap are unusual within the Jordan 1 legacy, but they add a fresh and unexpected twist to the classic silhouette. Luckily, the mid hype is cooling down at the moment of this video, and we slowly see the better colorways returning to our beloved Jordan 1 High. I mean, the washed black will become a classic, and you can never turn down a UNC colorway. Although I've been setting a slightly negative tone towards the Jordan 1 Mid, I strongly believe that the mid hype had a very important purpose to the community. It brought the Jordan brand back to the bigger public, and I'm sure it convinced a lot of non-sneakerheads to join our community. I think we should be using that as a conclusion and outro of this video. If you watched the whole video, I hope you don't forget to subscribe to our channel, like the video, and brush your teeth. See you!